Saya boleh pergi. Tidak ada mungkin. Iya. Look at you. It's so cute. Hello, boy. Hello, boy. I like you so much. You know that. You know that I like you so much. Hello, boy. Hello, boy. Oh, my boy. Oh, my boy. Look at you. What a badass boy you are. I like you so much. You know that. You know I like you. I like you. I like you. Where are you? I like you. Look at this. He's looking for birds. He wants to find the birds. Hello. Look at you. What a cute girl you are. What a cute girl you are. She's looking for birds through the trees. But as you know that this guy is coming up, like always coming up here close to me because we are friends. Aren't we friends? Yeah. Hello. Look at you guys. You are both good. I like you so much, both of you. She's looking for bears, and his head is through the tree, jumping up and taking one bears through the trees. The other one is also around. I don't know. Yes, is a bird here that fly away. And these guys are looking for that. As you can see, both has their heads in the trees. Why are you guys wants trees so much and badly? What makes you going after birds?